The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for South Central Fulton County, Central Mason County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Bath, or 8 miles southwest of Havana, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Kilbourne around 8 p.m. Easton around 8:05 p.m. Mason City around 8:15 p.m.